So let's see how our Moodle Storefront works. So this is actually our Moodle project. Um, we are completely making launched. Now let's go to the Storefront. The plugin is already installed, so you can see the widget is already visible right now. So this is Storefront. You can see all the courses here. Add, add to cart option, add to wish list options. If I wish list one course, for example, extracurricular activity, you see, it is already added to my wish list. Okay. And from there, I can add to cart anytime. So, add, and it has moved to cart. So let's go to shop again. So these are, you can see we have different um, filters, all products. Then we have online courses, the courses that the mobile site already has, and then physical products and bundles. You can sell all using this plugin. So the under all products, you can see these two categories are for the online courses, and this category is for physical products. We have added it. I will show you later. So under the courses, you see all these things, and these ratings can only be given if the purchase is verified and by that purchases. Okay. Okay. So let's go to the settings. Let's jump into the settings first. Right now, I'm just a guest. Yes, we can do guest checkout, and automatically your account will be created, and you'll be you'll get your products, and you'll be enrolled in a course if you purchase a course. You need to log into Moodle always. You have to purchase a course or activity. So let's log in first and see the settings. So now we can see my orders because I'm logged in. The access your course right now buttons appears. These are physical product. So view or print invoice comes up and as an admin and uh, obviously these things. I can click continue shopping to go back to my storefront. I can see all the categories, physical product category, product bundles category, all those things. No problem. And if I just click on any of the, it will just display related products that are not just categories. That is simple thing. So let's go to site administration. Go to post complex site. You'll see product settings page. It can, these are the courses your Moodle site already has. So you can select the toggle the visibility to public or private. Product name. The name is already the course name is already fetched as the product name, but you can change it here. Video embed URL, product details, product type, regular price, sell price, is recurring, no or yes, billing cycle, installment limits, and then we have multiple pricing options. Jason. I have already added the sample how to add multiple pricing options and enrollment duration product tags. Product tags is that thing when you add same tag for different products, it will upsell the thing. For example, you have added physics tag for product A and product B. So when someone tries to purchase product A, so product B being in the similar tag will also be uh, shown there. It is upselling for the enrollment duration, those things you can do it. So let's go back to the other settings. Then there is payment settings. Normally, you just have to enter. This is the channel settings. If you just want to show storefront categories, to show the categories drop down and currency, you have to select currency. All the currencies are supported. If you want to add tax or VAT, ship from a sender name or company, ship from address, coupons if you want to add different types of coupons for your users, PayPal settings, then you have authorized.net settings, then you have Stripe settings, then you have preserve the settings. This payment gateways are really integrated. You just have to add your API keys. That's all. And then let's check email settings. Send who want to send the emails. The checkboxes, mail subject for new enrollment, mail body for new enrollment, all those things. And then there's um, shop page settings. Let's see, page headers. Actually, what it does is if you choose your codes, page headers, this thing is printed here. You can change the name of page header, largest selection of courses. You can change this section, shop page banner. A banner is by default added. You can change the banner here. Size is already mentioned. Footer first text box. This one. This one. The text. If you want to add link, button link, then footer two. There is these two. These are for your promotional purposes. But these are. Then the color scheme settings. You can change the branding of it as per your website's theme and color schemes rendered into the kit. We have these options. Then the admin dashboard. In admin dashboard, you see the financial data, visitor map, abandoned card details, all those things. Then we have that when order. Let's say I can, I can print one printing invoice and packing slip, for example, this one the packing slip. This is the reference. And if you go to manage products, you can create uh, physical products. If you can add a new product name, description, selling price, regular price, product image file, shipping fee. You can add shipping fee as well, multiple pricing options. And if you toggle it to enable recurring payments for this product, the selling price will be turned into a recurring payment option. And if you can, put it inside a category. Okay. Then we have manage bundles. You can create a new bundle from here. You can put bundle name, bundle image file, price, regular price for discount description, shipping fee, multiple pricing options, visibility status, product category. So these are the two products, physical products, the courses. You can create a bundle. You can only select courses, different courses to create a bundle, or you can mix it up with physical products or only physical products. And if you want to create a bundle and sell it on the Moodle Storefront. And we are not done yet. We can also uh, create different categories. Create a category name, parent category, or subcategory, description, for the user's purpose so that the user can find the relevant product easily. These are the things. So let's go to the shop page quickly. And obviously, if you go to my orders, you can see your purchased orders. Okay. And after you have made the purchase, it is verified. You can access your codes. If it is a physical product, it will be delivered to you. And you can rate and it will be visible. But obviously, admin can choose whether to display it or not. Mm. The thing is pretty simple. For example, if I go to shop, then go to physical product. If I try to purchase it, then see shipping fees, total, whatever fees I add in, I'll show here. So if I select PayPal right? So you can select multiple payment options, payment gateway as per my choice. As it is a physical product, I have to add my shipping address. And if I have coupon code, I can click apply to this coupon and make the payment. That's it. Thank you.